Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's more important than ever: vaccines. They've been hailed as one of the greatest achievements in modern medicine, saving millions of lives each year. But how do they actually work? What's the science behind immunization? Join me as we explore the fascinating world of vaccines. For centuries, humanity has battled invisible enemies. Diseases, once feared and deadly, now seem distant threats. But how did we turn the tide? The answer lies in a tiny, powerful weapon: vaccines. Imagine you're a tiny soldier in your body's army. Your job is to protect your body from invaders like viruses and bacteria. One day, you see a strange-looking invader approaching. You've never seen anything like it before, so you don't know how to fight it. Suddenly, a group of your fellow soldiers comes to your aid. These soldiers are called antibodies. Antibodies are proteins that your body produces to fight off infection. They attach to the invader and help to destroy it. The antibodies are able to defeat the invader, and your body is safe. But how did the antibodies know how to fight the invader? The answer is vaccines. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or dead version of a virus or bacteria into your body. This weakened or dead virus or bacteria is called an antigen. When your body is exposed to an antigen, it starts to produce antibodies and other proteins to fight it off. These antibodies and other proteins then stay in your body and provide you with immunity to the disease. To understand how vaccines work, let's take a quick trip back in time. In the late 18th century, Edward Jenner discovered that milkmaids who had contracted cowpox were immune to smallpox. This groundbreaking finding laid the foundation for vaccination. Fast forward to today, and vaccines have eradicated diseases like smallpox and drastically reduced others, like polio and measles. So, how do vaccines trigger this powerful defense mechanism? To answer that, we need to dive into the immune system. Imagine your body as a fortress, constantly defending against invaders like viruses and bacteria. The immune system is made up of various cells, including white blood cells, which act as soldiers, ready to fight off infections. When a pathogen, like a virus or bacterium, enters your body, it tries to multiply and spread. Your immune system recognizes these invaders as foreign and springs into action. It produces antibodies, which are proteins specifically designed to neutralize the pathogen. This process is known as the immune response. Now, here's where vaccines come in. A vaccine is essentially a training program for your immune system. It contains weakened or inactive parts of a particular organism, or even just a blueprint of it, like mRNA in some COVID-19 vaccines. This allows your body to recognize the pathogen without causing the disease. When you receive a vaccine, your immune system identifies these harmless components as invaders. It then mounts a response similar to what it would do if it were actually infected. Your body produces antibodies and trains specific immune cells, called memory cells, to remember how to fight the disease in the future. This is why vaccination is so powerful. If you are exposed to the actual pathogen later on, your immune system is already prepared. It can quickly recognize and eliminate the invader, often before you even feel sick. This is what we call immunity. But vaccines don't just protect individuals, they help protect entire communities. This concept is known as herd immunity. When a significant portion of the population is vaccinated, the spread of the disease is slowed, making it less likely that those who cannot be vaccinated, like newborns or individuals with certain health conditions, will be exposed. Vaccines undergo rigorous testing for safety and efficacy before they are approved for public use. The benefits far outweigh the risks, and serious side effects are extremely rare. Despite the overwhelming evidence supporting vaccines, misinformation persists. It's essential to rely on credible sources and scientific research. Vaccines have been proven to save lives and prevent the spread of diseases that once caused widespread suffering. Globally, vaccination campaigns have made incredible strides. For example, the World Health Organization reports that the global vaccination rate for measles has increased significantly, leading to a dramatic reduction in cases. However, we must remain vigilant. Vaccine hesitancy can reverse these gains and put communities at risk. The science behind vaccines is constantly evolving. Researchers are developing new vaccines for emerging diseases, and advancements in technology are making this process faster and more efficient. For instance, mRNA technology, used in some COVID-19 vaccines, is paving the way for future vaccines against various viruses. As we wrap up our journey into the science of vaccines, remember that immunization is one of the most effective tools we have to protect our health and the health of our communities. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more engaging content on health and science. Together, we can spread awareness and promote a healthier future for everyone. Thank you for watching.